Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Axie Infinity Ronin Bridge tutorial. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game, and the Ronin Bridge is a crucial tool for players to transfer their assets between the Ethereum and Ronin blockchains. To start using the Ronin Bridge, you need to have an account on the Axie Infinity platform and a MetaMask wallet. The MetaMask wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. First, go to the Ronin Bridge website and connect your MetaMask wallet to the platform. This will allow you to access your Ethereum-based assets and transfer them to the Ronin blockchain. Once you have connected your wallet, you can start the bridging process. The bridging process involves transferring your assets from the Ethereum blockchain to the Ronin blockchain. This process typically takes a few minutes to complete and requires a small amount of gas fees. To bridge your assets, select the asset you want to transfer and enter the amount you want to bridge. You will then be prompted to confirm the transaction on your MetaMask wallet. After confirming the transaction, the bridging process will begin and your assets will be transferred to the Ronin blockchain. You can track the status of your transaction on the Ronin Bridge website. It is essential to note that the Ronin Bridge is a one-way bridge, meaning you can only transfer assets from the Ethereum blockchain to the Ronin blockchain. If you want to transfer assets from the Ronin blockchain to the Ethereum blockchain, you will need to use a different bridge or service. Best practices for using the Ronin Bridge include always verifying the transaction details before confirming, using a secure and up-to-date MetaMask wallet, and being aware of the gas fees and transaction times. In conclusion, the Ronin Bridge is a powerful tool for Axie Infinity players, allowing them to transfer their assets between the Ethereum and Ronin blockchains. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily and securely use the Ronin Bridge to manage your assets and enhance your gaming experience.